Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the vlog, yo. What a beautiful day. Always beautiful filming. But anyways, without further ado, let's get this video started one time. So today I'm pretty much gonna be telling you guys exactly the 5 reasons why I purchased my 2014 Audi RS5. I've had this car for like 10 months. So far everything's so good. So far so good. Like, it's wonderful. If you guys are in the market to purchase an Audi RS5, I'll recommend you to get it right now, especially the old models. So from 2015 and below, right now is the perfect time to actually get it. It's between Canadian dollars, is between, I'll say roughly between 35 to 45 $1,000 to actually get one of these cars. It's a very great car. But anyways, as you can see, I have my other car on the other side of the road, and I have my mom's car over here, which I'm gonna be taking that out just now. Actually the battery died, which I'm gonna be making, actually I'm gonna be changing the battery. Have to run down to Canadian Tire one time to get the battery. But hey, let's get this video started on God. Yalla. So like I said, it's a 2014 Audi RS5. So what I love about this car is just the look of it, like starting from the booty. You have a fat ass, a diffuser, like aggressive diffuser, and over here it's actually made for aerodynamic. You can get an aftermarket diffuser, which that's what I'm probably going to be doing. And I do love the oval exhaust in there. So if you check inside the exhaust, you actually do have the proper you have the exhaust pipe here, but you have the oval around it. And over here, which you have the parking sensor. You can't really see it right now due to the fact of my wrap. Anyways, yeah, just from the aggressive thing, guys, you have this aggressive spoiler here that goes up and down depending on the speed, how fast you're going. And yeah, it's pretty cool. I've used this car on the track, which is amazing on the track. Anyways, so as you can see over here, this is pretty cool. You have this sunroof. It doesn't go all the way back. It only tilts, which is pretty good. But I'm just gonna tell you guys, this car is super heavy. It's about 45,000 pounds. But moving forward, you have this aggressive, nice looking ass, beautiful beauty. It's sprayed out like, a lot of, like, comparing this car to the X5 or the A5, you can't even compare it. There's a major difference, even though this car is based off of the Audi A5. But once you see the aggressive front or this bumper, it's pretty cool. It's amazing. And you have, like, if you see the splitter, it's pretty cool. And you have that extended spoiler over there, which I couldn't get that wrapped, but anyways, yeah. So eventually, obviously in the future, I'm trying to probably put a front spoiler to even get this car more aggressive. And this car is super white. Even though it's kind of like, it's a miniature Audi R8. That's what I can tell you. And it comes with this aggressive 20-inch wheels. So these are aftermarket rims. I do have the OEM wheels here in my garage, but obviously I use the aftermarket. So I'm currently running on all-season Continental Extreme Contact Sport. These tires are super expensive, so watch out for that. If you're gonna be getting one of these cars, tires are expensive, rims are expensive. But yeah, so that's it for the look. As you can see over here, the spec of this car, so I believe from 2015 and below, it still comes with the natural aspirated V8. The 4.2 liter V8 is the same engine as in the Audi R8. The only difference is this is just the tuned version of the Audi R8. So if you have the money and if you want that comfortable ride, that everyday drive, it's better for you to get the RS5 than to get the R8. If you have enough money, I'll say save up and get the newer version of the R8. It's more faster, more lighter, it has more room. But the older model of the R8, I sat in one, didn't feel that comfortable. And so yeah, that's my suggestion for you. But anyways, talking about the spec, like I said, this car has a 4.2 liter natural aspirated V8 pushing 450 horsepower and about 300 and 75 foot-pound-feet of torque, so it's pretty torquey. But yeah, so that's that with that. So let's move on to the interior. Obviously I tinted my windows. That just gives you that aggressive look. So the interior is pretty stunning. Yeah, it comes with the S-tronic, I believe 7-speed S-tronic gearbox. It shapes like crispy, like it's super smooth. You can always option like over here, you can option this to, from the factory it comes with carbon fiber, but obviously mine didn't come with the carbon fiber, but you can put carbon fiber piece on here, and you have this metallic, it's very solid, that door handle, and even here this nice leather wrap steering wheel. It's pretty cool, and you have this metallic, it's very solid, it feels good. The paddle shifters, it's pretty good, and like I said, that gearbox though, it's proper. It comes with push to start, and you got your spoiler system over here. So over here, that's where you actually raise your spoiler or put it back, so you can raise that up. And then you have all your, your drive select. You can go either from here, or you can go directly right from here. So you just push car, and boom, you should be good to go. I'm just gonna leave this on. But yeah, so do not mind the all the lights, because it's an accessory remote at the moment. But yeah, so that's pretty much what you get. And these leather seats over here, they're pretty comfortable, way comfortable than the Mercedes C63 or the BMWs. The ride is pretty good. So yeah, so when it comes to spec, this is pretty well spec. Obviously I love to have the carbon fiber, but you can always get the aftermarket carbon fiber, so it's not really a big deal not to get it. But if you're in the market, yeah, I'll see if you can get the carbon fiber. So the original color of this car is actually called Pearl Silver, as you can see over here comparing to the wrap. So that's differentiate that. So this is Pearl Silver. So it has like diamond sparkling in it, so which is pretty cool. So alright guys, so I'm about to get this started. So I did a little bit of modification on the exhaust. So I did a resonator delete. So headphone users, be aware, and it's gonna be super tight, me moving out this car, because my mom's car is on the driveway, the battery is dead, like I said before. So yeah, and another thing regarding the performance, this car does 0 to 60 in 4.2 seconds, which is pretty good for a heavy car. I mean, it's not the fastest comparing to the C63 or the M4, so it's pretty good. But anyways, be aware, it's gonna be super loud. Okay, seize the moment, alright? Okay, all right, let's get out of here. All right, let's get back into the car and let's continue the adventure. So yo, the way this car actually drives is incredible. Like the crackles, the downshifts, as you can hear it, like it's crazy. It's very comfortable. Like right now, I'm currently in sport mode, and the car just actually handles its own. Like it's amazing. Like if you're really in the market to get one of this, you should definitely get it right now. It's the perfect time to get it, especially us going through this pandemic. The prices are going down on these cars, but obviously the price is gonna go back up. So like definitely cop one of these, baby.
Turn right onto Wilson
The
Road.
downshift, like shush, always gets me though. So yeah, it's a proper car, everyday car, like everyday drive. Like if you're looking for that daily and you got that money, like if I had that money to spend on another one, I would definitely get another one for sure, 100%. But anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe. You know, I hope you guys enjoyed the content, and you know, you can leave me your suggestions and stuff, like, you know, what you guys want to see me do with the car and all that stuff. So alright, make sure you guys like, subscribe. And before I let you guys go, I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a launch control, which doing the launch control on this car, it's actually very simple. I'm gonna do it just now. I do have is right now it's currently safe, so I put it in sport, EAC off. Alright, and then put your foot on the brakes. Woo! Shush! Okay, alright, that was 100. But anyways, man, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, more to come. Alright, y'all.